Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. The early declaration of Sara Duterte that she intends to run for president is more than a simple announcement. It is strategic positioning. In Philippine politics, timing is power. By declaring early, she effectively sets the agenda, forcing both allies and opponents to react, recalibrate, and reveal their own plans sooner than they may have intended. An early declaration can be advantageous. It consolidates supporters, signals confidence, strengthens fundraising networks, and shapes public discourse long before the official campaign season. It can project inevitability, a psychological edge in a highly personality driven political landscape like the Philippines. But it also carries risks. Early exposure invites prolonged scrutiny, opposition attacks, and political fatigue. It gives rivals more time to unify, strategize, and counter message. Momentum built too early can fade before election day. So, is it a genius or misstep? It depends on execution. If she sustains narrative controls and broadens coalition support, it could be a masterstroke. If internal division deepen or public sentiment shifts, the move may prove to be immature or premature. In politics, boldness is rarely neutral. It serves or reshapes the battlefield or strengthens the opposition. Thank you for watching.